The trend of local businesses adding custom merchandising to their offering has been on the rise in recent years. Some driving factors behind this has been being able to build a brand loyalty, unique identity with their customers, and of course, adding a revenue stream. As a custom printer, you are able to get ahead of this trend and collaborate with your local businesses to create one-of-a-kind merch that allows them to bring that vision to life. I'm going to review 3 items that you can custom print for merchandising. Let's dive in. One unique item that some merch stores are adding are socks, and these are sourced from S&S Activewear. The brand is known as Socko. What we are using here is the can cooler platen to load these on. What this is going to allow us to do is isolate our print area, but also create enough of a stretch in the fabric, especially in this ribbed area, so that whenever the design is done being printed, it'll bounce back. Before I place my design, I'm going to do a preheat and also test my pressure. So you can see we're at a very light pressure. I want to get to a medium there, anywhere between a 4 and a 6. Now that our garment is prepped, we can go ahead and place our transfer. This transfer is known as CAD Cut Soft Flock. This is a heat transfer vinyl that is raised and textured. It actually has a suede-like finish to it. And it is going to allow us to print on the socks, not only complementing them because of the soft hand that it has, but also because it's a dimensional product that's going to sink down into the ribs of this sock without distorting the graphic or the text that we're using. We're going to use a cover sheet to protect our upper heating element and go ahead and lock that in for its recommended time and temperature. Soft Flock is a hot peel, so as soon as that's done, we can remove the carriers. And the application is complete. I switched out the can cooler platen to the 11 by 15 and threaded my garment. Going to make sure all seams are off to ensure a flat, even pressure, and do a quick check on pressure and do a preheat. We are going to be heat pressing Permatwill. Permatwill applies at 350 degrees for 20 seconds using a medium pressure. So we're going to take our heat transfer. Again, this is Permatwill. It is a sublimated twill that is lasered, so that all you have to do is heat apply it in one take to get full color twill finishes. We will cover with a cover sheet and apply for its application instructions. This product is also a hot peel, so we can remove that carrier once it is heat applied. And as you can see, as I remove the carrier, the texture of the twill coming through, which is just allowing us to really elevate these designs that you are collaborating on with your local business customers. This can help warrant a higher profit opportunity, not just for you, but also for the customer. Last but not least, we have a tote bag. These are great accessories to pair with any other additional merchandise you may be offering. So we're going to load this on the bottom platen. As I mentioned, this is the 360 IQ hat press, but it's still great for utilizing when it comes to heat applying emblems and patches and elevating the accessories and garments that you're printing. So Flex Style is a textured dimensional emblem. We like to call it liquid embroidery because it gives the quality of embroidery, but just in a different type of texture. All right, so we are going to cover this with a foam pad. That's not only going to protect our item, but also the patch as it's being heat applied. We are at 280 degrees on the top heating element, and our platen is actually heated up to 320. This allows us to apply the patch without damaging the item because it is curing the adhesive from the inside of the accessory. Flex Style is a hot peel, so as soon as that releases, we can go ahead and remove the foam pad and then remove the carrier. You can't go wrong when it comes to selecting merch for your clients. So collaborating with these local businesses is really going to help understand their client base so you know what to choose from. These are 3 really great options. Bella Canvas offers fleece at a really great selling point, and accessories are always great for those add-on sales. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.